Have you ever wished that you could change the background color of your image but don't know how? Well, you're in luck! For in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it using Photoshop. This technique works with images on white background, so we will be working with this image. She is of course in a white background. Let's start by making a selection of our subject by going to the Select, then choose Subject. Photoshop will analyze the image and make a selection. As you can see, Photoshop made a very great job here. There are just a couple of areas that we need to fix, so we zoom in to the areas that Photoshop missed. And we can easily fix that by pressing the Q key on the keyboard to enter the quick mask mode. You can use the brush tool to paint this black to select or white to deselect the pixels. I have black as my foreground color, so we can zoom in and paint away the white portion of the image. Anything that is in red is hidden, so I want to hide these white pixels and panning to the other areas by pressing the spacebar. Anything painted in red will be hidden, so don't spend too much time fine-tuning these areas. You can always come back and refine these areas until you feel that it looks good after we apply the background color that we like. Little imperfections are not noticeable, so there are times that you don't even need to do a selection. After finished doing the selection, you will have to zoom out by double-clicking the hand tool to fit the image to screen. And then we can notice that we have made a very great job in our selection of our subject. Press Q once again to exit the quick mask mode and margin edges will come back. Next is to create the fill layer that we're going to use to make the background change to another color. Click on Create, New Fill or Adjustment Layer, then select Solid Color. Choose a color that you like and press OK. Click on the Layer Mask thumbnail and press Ctrl-I to invert it, and now the color is outside. You're doing great! Just few more steps more to completely change the background color. The problem now is that the shadow is not showing. So to fix this, go to Blending Mode and choose Multiply. Notice that the shadow comes back and the image looks much better. You can change the color by double-clicking the solid color thumbnail and changing it to whatever you like by clicking or dragging to select the different color. Then press OK. And that's it! That's how you change background color in Photoshop. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or confusion, comment down below and I will respond to each and every questions as soon as possible. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.